Alright guys, so that's how we remove it out of the vehicle. I'm going to set it up on our stands and then I'll continue showing you how we clean the board and we get ready to install the material. Come back to you. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by cleaning this board, and what I like to use, I have a variable speed grinder with a wire brush bristle head on the end of it, so you can turn this thing on and adjust the speed on the handle here. Alright guys, we're back with some material here. Went ahead and matched up the match for it, and we got some clear gray flat knit style material headliner. I'll leave a link to this down in the description below so you guys can order in case you need it. It takes 2 yards to do a headliner board of an Honda Accord without sunroof, and if you have a sunroof then it takes 95 inches. So we'll get started here. So on the board is where you want to concentrate the most of your adhesive. You just want to put a light mist on your headliner, and then when you bond the two together, it goes. Alright guys, we're back. Now we have the little cushion on here that we can flip it over and it won't get dirty on our board. And I got some razor blades, single edge razor blades. I'm going to flip this thing over, we're going to wrap the edges, cut the accessories, and then we'll be ready to put this board back in the vehicle. reinstall it back into the vehicle, and I'll see you as soon as I set up the camera. Alright guys, so I'm going to reinstall this thing back into the vehicle, so I'm going to give you this view to kind of show you how I go about getting it back into place. Alright. Alright guys, that's it. We completed this headliner on this 06 Honda Accord. And like I said, she's beautiful again. Appreciate you for watching. See you in the next clip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And look forward to seeing you in the next one. Headliner Magic.